If you ever wanted to make an Afrobeat, your own Afrobeat, but you didn't know where to start, watch this video because in the next few minutes I am going to show you how to make a full Afrobeat instrumentals from scratch, step by step. What's up guys, my name is GINOWIZZY. I am an Afrobeat artist, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Afrobeat instrumental from scratch. Even if you are a beginner, this video is for you, so make sure you watch till the end because I will go to show you how everything comes together and make it perfect. That's what make Afrobeat perfect, you get. Afrobeat, the most important thing on Afrobeat is the drum. Once the drum bounce, the beats will bounce. So make sure you find a better drum. You get. Sample that on BandLab. You can choose yours, but I already pick my beat I want to use. Now we are done with the drums. Let's just melodies and stuff. Hope you guys are paying attention. Hope you guys are paying attention. We are done with the melody, so listen how everything catch up. So everything will catch up. Now let's add some guitar, clean guitar, soft guitar. Let's see. You are done with the guitar, everything. You get perfect. Listen. Most people don't understand this, but start with the melodic guitar. You can add anything you want. You hear me? You get it. You start with this TF. This thing, I don't know the name. Clean guitar. You can search it on BandLab. This is the bass. We must add some bass now. Let's add the bass. You are done with the bass. You are done with the bass. You are done with the bass. Pay attention. Everything will come together at the end. If you don't know how to add all these things, I will show you at the end to how to add all the guitar, bass. It's just on one place. I will show you how to add it on BandLab. Listen in the meantime. Most of you will be wondering how I get to this bass guitar. Is here. Vital instrumentals. I promise to show you the MD. It's here. Vital instrumentals. You can here in here you can get everything: guitar, piano, trumpet, everything you want on BandLab. Yeah, through here you can get everything. Very easy. Simple. Most people will be wondering, is Afrobeat so easy like this? Yes, Afrobeat is easy if you know what you are doing. Very easy if you really know what you are doing. But if you don't want to stress, you can take you a whole day to make a powerful hit Afrobeat, but this is just a way to make beat to just sing on. So again, I have to show una, make una no go discuss una sef, show una the perfect way and the calm way, the quickest way, easiest way. This is it. So if you learn anything, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment if I continue to make beats or song. See you in the next video. Peace out.